if my Stc app not responding. So here is the quick fix. So first of all, close and reopen it in. It will fix the issue. If this still not working, then long press on my Stc app and then tap app info and go to storage usage and clear the cache. So this will remove temporary files which are causing this issue. After it, if this still not working, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So for this you can try Wi-Fi and then mobile data again. After that, restart your phone and your issue will be fixed. But if this still remaining, then go to Play Store and search for my Stc. Update the app from here. If this still not working, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app. This will fix the issue completely.